Howdy, Possum Patty here, little Titi's here too. And today we have an unboxing for you. Come on along. Yes, I am very excited to show you what's in the package. Titi is too. But first, let's hop over to their website because this is one of my fave websites to shop at. Beebeecraft is one of my fave online stores. They have so many offerings and their prices are really, really good, and there are sales going on right now, of course. And when you first think of Beebeecraft, you think of beads. And if you go to Jewelry Beads, you can see that their offerings are fantastic. They have every kind of bead. Look at these agates. Those are gorgeous. They have glass beads, pearl beads, crystal beads, everything you could want. Their jewelry findings, everything you need to make your jewelry, of course, and all of the tools and supplies. Love the little plier set there. And your string materials. Now, you might not be into making jewelry, but maybe you make, tassels and different things for your crafting. But they also have a variety of craft supplies. All kinds of craft supplies. And ribbons and lace and stamps, whatever you want to do. Oh, look, silk screening. I didn't see that before. So many different things. Oh my gosh, so many different things. This is like the shopping mall for all crafters, and they get these from all different companies. I see Panda Hall, I see Global Land, I see Ollie Craft and Benny Create. So this is like one-stop shopping here for all these different companies. And if you go to craft supplies, you can see there's tools for scrapbooking, DIYs, decorating, everything. They do have a lot of the wax seal stamps and the silicone molds if you're into those. But let's go over to the table now, and I'm just so excited to show you what I've got from Beebeecraft today. I will be making 2 process videos with what I have received to review from Beebeecraft. And this is very heavy. So let's get into this bubble wrap. There's one. I've got 2 products. 2 kits, actually. And look at this bubble wrap. This could be a nice little journal. Look at that. Perfect. Anyway, I know, junk journalers are always excited about the packaging. That's my packing list. It came pretty quickly. And I don't know which one to open first. Okay, let's open this one. And this is a stamp carving set. And this set comes with 4 cutting tools, and I will link this set below. I'll link both sets below. So we're going to look at the 4 cutting tools first. They come in a plastic case. The handles are plastic with little textured grips on them. And the first one with the orange grip is a straight blade. And I will definitely be trying these out in my process videos. The blue gripper is a wide U-shaped blade. The purple gripper has a narrow V shape. I'm trying to angle that there so you can see it. A narrow V shape on that one, and the teal is an angled straight blade. So they feel pretty comfortable in the hand with the little bit wider handle and the little grip down there to give you some good control. So we will test that out. And this set comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of rubber. They're different colors. That doesn't matter which color you use. And you're going to draw your design on here and then use the tools to cut away the parts you don't want. And this is going to be super fun to try out. I think I was watching Janet Nash, and she was making her own stamps. And that's what gave me the inspiration to do this, actually, to try it out for myself. And this is a variety pack of pieces of rubber to make your own stamps. And here are, we've got 5 pieces of the little squares. Now these squares are, I should measure this for you, right? Get my little ruler out. These are almost 2 inches by almost 2 inches. Same size as what's in the first pack I opened. So we have 5 of those in different colors. And 5 of the round ones, also in different colors. Colors don't matter because, you know, you'll be stamping with your ink, but still. And those are almost 2 inches too. So I have 10 pieces of rubber to make rubber stamps with in my extra kit. And it came with 6 pieces. So wow, I've got 16. I've got 16 rubber stamps to make here. And my tools, my 4 tools. So I am just very excited about working with this set of tools and rubber stamps to make my own stamps. So please stay tuned for the process videos where I will be making rubber stamps. And be sure to check out Beebeecraft link below, and I will put the links to these 2 products below too. Thanks for coming along today. Bye-bye.